The Bosch MRF23EVS-RT Router Renewed is a powerful tool featuring a 2.3 horsepower motor that delivers a speed range of 10,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute. This router is designed with an ergonomic trigger power switch located on the handle, which includes a lock-on button for improved control during extended use. To enhance visibility and precision, the Bosch router is equipped with LED lighting that illuminates the bit area, making it easier to work in dimly lit environments. The precision centering design of this router allows users to maintain accuracy by keeping the bit on the intended cut line, especially when using jigs and other guiding devices. Despite being a factory reconditioned product, the Bosch MRF23EVS-RT is restored to like-new condition, ensuring reliable performance, though some units may have minor cosmetic blemishes. Included accessories such as self-releasing collets, bit wrenches, and table mount screws make this router a versatile and comprehensive tool for various woodworking projects.